Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add currency with symbol and activate on front shop. Log into the backend. Go to Settings and Currencies. Now click on Add Currency. Now fill out the currency details in the form. Click Save. Now go to the General tab and select your currency. Click Save. Go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.